more fun for Jake. Every day Jake that runs on the shore, that runs and runs. When I grow up, I will run like that. I will be fast and I will run far. Thought Jake, I will be fast like him. One day Jake and his dad went to a sports store. I like this green shirt and this black cap. Jake told his dad. When the weekend came, Dad asked Jake to run with him. Jake wore his green shirt and black cap. Dad and Jake ran and ran. Each weekend, Jake and Dad ran. One day, Jake saw Dad on off. Is that black for Dad and cup? Can Dad and Jake race? Would you like to be in the race? Dad asked Jake. Yes, said Jake. I can be in it. On the day of the race, Jake wore his green shirt and his black cap. Mom came to clap for Jake and Dad. The race was more fun than Jake thought it would be. That's right, yelled Jake. Yes, we were, but let's wait for the weekend, said Dad.